To create a new form, you can click new form here, and then you can select what you want to create. So let's just create a new person form. And by default, this is going to load in all of the fields or attributes from the people. So quickly, we'll just deactivate all of them. And then we're going to just turn on name and email address. And then we can go ahead and go to settings. We can name this simple people intake form. You'll notice that this will create a slug here that we can just rename to simple-people. And once you rename it, it's not going to change it. So if I publish this, then we can go and view this new form. You'll see that there are two simple fields, name and email. Name is broken out into two different first name and last name. And to show you a more advanced feature here, I'm just going to hide the inactive and I'm going to create a related object because a lot of the times we also want to get the company. So I'm going to create a company object here. The link is the team. If you have different relationship attributes, you can use different fields, but I'm going to use team here. And then I'm going to show the inactive again, and I'll scroll down. You'll see in the purple here, I'll have the attributes that come from the company. So I'm going to show domains and name. And then on people, I'm going to turn on the company. And now what I can do is I can actually drag this company down, and then I can have domain and name here for the company. And then if I click on this edit icon here for company, I can change the reference to linked section and select the company as the linked section. So that way now the person will get related to the company that's created. And then I'll go ahead and publish these changes. If we go back and we view this form now and I just refresh here, you'll see that the new fields are added. And when I put in a company here like dial.tech, this will actually look or create a new company and will actually relate to this company to the person that submits their information here as well.